Hey you guys, welcome back to the Millionaire House. We're celebrating my 40th birthday all month long, and as part of the celebration, I've teamed up with Chico's to ask one very important question. How bold are you? And a very special thank you to Chico's for sponsoring this video. Chico's is inspiring women to feel good no matter what their age, and their clothing helps us to express our personalities with confidence. So as part of the 40th birthday celebration, I'm doing a little clothing haul, and I'd love to bring you guys along. I've got to pick out a few pieces for an upcoming spring break with the family down in Marco Island. So I'm going to share my 3 different looks, and I'd love for you to vote on your favorite. And make sure to stay tuned through the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing some insights and thoughts on how I feel about turning 40. So let's go ahead and get started with look number 1. For look number 1, I'm keeping it super casual with my bold digital t-shirt. Can't ever go wrong with a basic white t-shirt, right? And I paired it up with the So Slimming Girlfriend ankle jeans. And let me just tell you, for a girl with extra sized hips like mine, these jeans fit wonderfully. Moving on to look number 2 with what I'm calling resort casual. And in this look, I decided to stick with the So Slimming Girlfriend ankle jeans because they were really comfortable. And I added an embroidered linen tunic. What do you guys think? And for look number 3, I tried on this gorgeous no iron Nautical Tassels shirt. You can't go wrong with no iron. And if you guys are interested in the sizes that I was trying on, I will have them listed below for you in the description box. And finally, we have look number 4. For look number 4, I'm wearing this really cute convertible tank top in natural cream. And what I love most about it is that it works double time. You can actually wear it either in the front or in the back. In the front, there's some lace detail, and in the back, it's a little more plain. Can't go wrong either way. It's paired with a pair of slim utility crops. And for a different look, you can add a lovely scarf like the one you see here. The lace trim front gives it some really gorgeous detail. You can wear it casual or dress it up with a jacket. What would my 40-year-old self tell my 20-year-old self? Get to know you, girl. Get to know you and love you. It was a while before I really got to understand my why, like the reason you wake up every day. And I kind of went through my 20s and really almost all of my 30s before I figured it out. And it really took me losing my mom to really be able to identify what my why is. And for me, it's time. Time is that one commodity in life that you can never ever get back. You can make more money, you can find another job, you can even find new friends if you have to. I mean, we don't want to, but you can. But your time, you can never ever get back. So for me, it's really important how I spend it and who I spend it with. And I think, you know, that's the really important lesson that my 40-year-old self would have told my 20-year-old self, and getting to know who you are and what's important to you. But at the end of the day, I wouldn't have done any of it differently. I am who I am today because of who I was back then. So it's all about the lesson, right? Okay guys, that's the end of my This is 40 vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to vote on your favorite outfit below, and also in the comments leave a comment about what your now self would tell your 20-year-old self. I'd love to hear about it. And a sincere thank you to Chico's for allowing me to participate in this campaign. I had an absolutely amazing time. Until next time, love and peace.